Hi everyone, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Well, today I have for you some Dollar Tree DIYs. So without further ado, let's get to crafting. Okay, our first project, you will need one of these bows, serving bows from the Dollar Tree. It's plastic and just a regular medium-sized throwaway plastic cup, and I'm using Folk Art Metallic number 666E Antique Copper for the fall, but you can use any color you want. And all we're going to do is paint it. Go ahead and shake it up. I haven't used this for a while. And I'm just using a large paintbrush. You can also just chalk paint it too. I want to do this though just to make it see-through. And the bottom, this cup I'm going to be using burnt umber. Make it nice smooth lines so you can see through it. And do that going all the way around like this. Nice smooth lines. Alright, and after I painted the bow, I'm setting it aside and letting it dry. And on the cup, because it's a dark color, I'm using Wavery Ivory chalk paint to give it a base. That way you won't be able to see through it and see the color. Just one good coat will do. Don't forget to do the top too, or the bottom. And then once that's finished, we'll just set it aside and continue on the next project while it's drying. Okay, and our next project, while we're waiting on those to dry, is a flower arrangement. Now I used this in this past summer, but I'm going to go ahead. There's foam down under here, the flower foam. You need 2 of them to glue, and then cut 1 in half and stick down in here. Just make sure you glue them in. And this is Spanish moss, I believe, or reindeer moss. And if you want it to look exactly like this, first I chalk painted it white and let that dry, and then I got some burnt umber and just brushed it here and there. And I got some of that rope from the Dollar Tree, and I glued it, just going around the bottom and the top. Right there, you can see where it meets at. Anyway, and I have a bunch of greenery, leaves, and flowers to put in it for fall. I have this one. Now this came from the Dollar Tree. I got it earlier this year. So we're just going to start laying things in and arrange them. And then I have another one, but it's just the greenery with the, I forget what this is, the wheat, I believe it might be called. Arrange them, and then put that in over here. Now, I have some more little pieces that I cut off of leaves and stuff, just stick them in. Anywhere around it will look good. And this, I don't know what this is called. But I'm just going around and putting stuff in here and there. And then I'm going to arrange the flowers. I have sunflowers, hydrangeas, and a few other flowers. And I have some pumpkins. These are the pumpkins. I have them in white too. They have the little clip on the back. Just spread out your greenery. Got one there that didn't have a stem on it. I love fall flower arrangements. I think they're the most beautiful. Comment below and let me know which season is your favorite in flowers and stuff. Is it summer, spring, fall, winter, or just a holiday? Okay, now I have some picks I bought. This is just fall pick. That's all it says there. And it's got the sunflower berries and a pine cone. And then I have a pine cone, berries, and leaves, and a pumpkin. I'm going to put that over on this side. And then I have one of flower, a pine cone, and berries. Let me see. Alright, next I have this one. I think these are, I don't know what these are. The tag is off, but this is what they look like. Just spread apart some of your stuff that you already put in and stick that in there. I also have a big, I think this is a great big one. You can put big ones in too if you want. I think that'll look cute in it. Now I have a bunch of sunflowers. I already have them cut off at the stem. Just go around putting them in at different places, and make sure you spread them out and get them real nice and filled everywhere. But we'll do that going all the way around. And I have some hydrangeas. Let me show you here. Just get that tag off. Spread them out. That looks real good already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite project that I've done today. And if you want to see more of that whatever it is I'm making, and you want to see more of stuff like it, let me know in a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And I have these kind of flowers too. Just make sure they stick down in there good. Okay, I have my last two sunflowers, so I'm going to put one right here. And one over here. Just fill around for the foam. And I have some of these flowers. Beautiful colors for the fall. Have to find the foam on this one. The stem is short. We have one there. Alright, here's this flower arrangement. Let me know what you think about it. Let me bring this up some so you can see it. That's what it is. Alright, now on to our next project. I forgot to put some pumpkins in it, so here's some of the orange with a little clip. Just get that clip, figure out where you want the pumpkin to go, and just clip it right on there. I'm putting that one right there. And go ahead and clip the other one over on the other side. Can't believe I almost forgot to put the little pumpkins in. Alright. Now, see, got 3 little pumpkins going around. Now it's finished. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm putting in for today's giveaway. This 2-pack fragrance satch. It's Lily and Lies. I can't see the last letter there, but it smells so good. And there's 2 packs in here. And then this spa treatment mask. You leave it on for 15 minutes and it has 1 in it. And that's what I'm adding to it today. Let me go ahead and bring the camera down so we can see what we're doing. Okay, the bow and the cup is dry now. So what we need to do, get your glue gun, put you a fair amount of glue going around the outer side and inside it. Make sure you center it. And push down. It doesn't take long at all to dry. And then I have these artificial pumpkins to put in it. And you could probably get one more or a couple, but I just have 3. And here's your centerpiece. Alright, well that's it for today's DIYs. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. And I'd really love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye.